how you can push an existing project to GitHub. Before we start, I want to make sure that you have Git installed, because without Git this will not work. If you don't have Git, you can install it from their website. Make sure to install the latest version for the device you are working on. If you have it installed, then please follow along. So let's say we want this project pushed to GitHub. Okay, what we want to do is make this project a project that's tracked by Git. Okay, how we can do this is by opening the terminal. Of course, navigate to the project and type git in it. Now the files will turn green because it's initialized with Git. When it's green, it actually means that it's untracked. So we want to make this tracked. How we can do this is by typing git add dot. If you type git status, the files are now tracked by Git. Now we want to stage it before pushing it, and we can do this by git commit and just type like a message, you know. I do first commit. After this, we have staged it, so now it's actually ready to be pushed, but we need a place where it can be pushed to. So we're going to GitHub, make a repository. I will call it test project, and I will skip the rest because that's not necessary now. Create it. Okay, great. We've created a repo. And we are going to push it right now. So first we need to add this repo location to our Git project. And we do this by typing this. I will just copy paste it, but make sure to type this in. And you can get this link from the GitHub, so it will actually provide it for you right here. So I just copied this. Okay, after that you type, so you click enter, then you type git branch capitalized M main, then git push origin main. After that it should be done, and when we refresh the GitHub repo, you can see your files here and your project is pushed to GitHub.